I am here at the end of row number 4 of the second flower. I'm going to begin row number 5 with a slip stitch. Now single crochet plus 3 chains, 2 treble crochets, two chains. I am now ready to begin joining to the center of the doily. I am going to repeat exactly the same way that I joined the first flower, using this space and the next one. I already made my 2 chains. Going through the reverse, I'm going to slip stitch. Now go back to the same space and make 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to move to the next chain 4 space. Make 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains, and now I'm going to join to the next space on the center of the doily, the next one. Make a slip stitch, going through the reverse, chain 2, go back to the flower and make 3 trebles in the same space. I finished joining the flower to the center. I'm now going to continue to the next space and make 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3 in the same space. Chain 4, 3 trebles in the same space. Here I have 6 trebles, 6 trebles, and 6 trebles. I am now going to make 3 trebles in the next chain 4 space. This time I'm going to make 6 chains. Now go back to the same space and make 3 trebles. I have 3 trebles, 6 chains, and 3 trebles in the same chain 4 space. Go to the next space, make 3 trebles. Chain 4, go back to the same space. Three trebles. 1, 2, I have 3 trebles, 4 chains, and 3 trebles. I'm going to the next space, 3 trebles. Four chains, 3 trebles in the same space. I have 3 trebles, 4 chains, and 3 trebles in the same space. After I join, I have 4 chains, then I have 6, then I have 4 and 4. Go to the next space and make 3 trebles. 3 chains and go to the chain 6 space of the previous flower. Insert my hook to the reverse and make a slip stitch. Chain 3, go to the same space where we made the 3 trebles and make 3 trebles in the flower. 1, 2, 3. We just joined the second flower to the first flower. Now go to the next space and make 3 trebles in the last chain 4 space. Chain 2. I'm now going to insert my hook through the reverse on the chain 4 space of the flower. Chain 2, go back to where I just made the first 3 trebles. Make 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3. Now look for the beginning chains and slip stitch in the top one. Slip stitch, make a security chain, cut your thread. I just showed you how to join the second flower. Now you can continue joining all of the flowers. On the left is a total of 15. Join 14 and I will come back and show you how to join the last one. I finished joining 14 of the flowers. I am now ready to show you how to join the last one. I made my flower up to row number 4 and I am going to begin row number 5. Slip stitch to the chain 4 space, single crochet, chain 3, 2 trebles. 1, 2. Chain 2. I will begin the same way as I join all of the flowers. Begin joining to this one, then go to this one, continue to this one, then here, continue, and then I will join this one and close. So I have my 2 chains. I'm going to slip stitch. Make sure the right side of the doily is facing you and insert your hook from the reverse. Slip stitch, chain 2, go back to the flower and make 3 trebles in the same chain 4 space. 1, 3. Now go to the next chain 4 space and make 3 trebles. 3. I am now going to chain 2, go to the next space on the doily, slip stitch, chain 2, back to the flower, make 3 trebles in the same space. 3. I finished my 6 trebles in the same chain 4 space. I'm going to the next chain 4 space, make 3 trebles, chain 2. Now I'm going to join to the flower. I insert my hook through the reverse slip stitch, chain 2, go back to the flower and make 3 trebles in the same space. One, 2, 3. I finished my 6 trebles in the same chain 4 space. I'm going to the next space, make 3 trebles, I am now going to chain 3 because I'm going to join to the chain 6. Insert my hook through the reverse, make a slip stitch, chain 3, go back to the flower, make 3 trebles in the same space, three. I finished working 6 trebles in the same chain 4 space. I'm going to the next chain 4 space, make 3 trebles, chain 4, go back to the same chain 4 space and make 3 trebles. I finished my 6 trebles in the same chain 4 space, move to the next chain 4 space, three trebles, four chains, 3 trebles in the same space. One, 2, 3. I finished 6 trebles in the same space. I am now moving to the last 2 chain 4 spaces, and here is where I'm going to join to the last flower. 2. I have 2, 1, 2 chain 4 spaces. So I'm going to go and make 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3. Because I'm joining to the chain 6. Slip stitch, chain 3, go back to the flower, make 3 trebles in the same chain 4 space. I finished my 6. Go to the next space, 3 trebles, two chains to join to the last space of the other flower, slip stitch through the reverse, chain 2, go back to the same space, make 3 trebles. I finished my 6 trebles in the same chain 4 space, 3 and 3. Now I'm going to look for the top chain of the beginning, insert my hook, slip stitch, chain 1 for security, leave enough thread and cut. Now I had enough time. This is what I do before blocking. We have the 2 middle treble crochets, so I just joined the 2 trebles in the middle of this set to the middle 2 double crochets of the flower. I go to the next space, skip 2, insert my needle through the reverse, look for the 2 double crochets. Now grab the 2 middle double crochets, then join it to the 2 middle trebles, and I continue. I skip 2 of the set of 6, insert my needle through the reverse, look for the 2 double crochets in the middle, insert my hook, grab the 2, attach it to the 2, go to the next, and that is how I attached it. That's how I join it. I go around. You can continue. This is optional. This is what I do before blocking. This one I blocked it like 2 years ago. When I do this, I block it and it looks nice for a while, but then it has a mind of its own after a while. Like I told you, that is optional. And I'm done with the center and the flowers. I'm now going to continue and show you how to make the pineapple edging.